everybody, welcome back to Nikki Post Travel Stuff. In this video, I am going to show you the extra things that we bring with us along with our luggage and what we carry in this bag. The first thing is this tea container. I don't actually know the name. I got it in Georgia, but it's for loose leaf tea. It's small enough and we drink a lot of tea, so this is one of the most important things that I bring around with me. I'm Nikki and I post travel stuff, and on this channel I'll be giving you tips on how you can make the most of your travel experience. If that sounds good to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you can see more of what comes out next. So of course, after the tea ball, I have loose leaf tea. We got this in Trabzon, our first city in Turkey, and it's lasted us all the way until now, 2 months later. Along with tea, of course, honey. We got the small squeeze bottle so it's easy to travel with. So the black tea is our morning tea. And then in the afternoon, we usually have curcuma tea. It's lighter for the afternoon, it feels more healthy, and it also has anti-inflammatory benefits to it. So we have this tea in the afternoon, but we also like to cook with curcuma. Because we like to cook, we also have our own mix of spices that we have aptly named Allfather. We were watching the Vikings before we came, and so we mixed all of our spices together. Salt and pepper, of course, a little curcuma, some thyme, some paprika. It's allspice, so we call this our Allfather. Because we like to cook a lot at home, I also bring along this vegetable peeler, which is totally nerdy, but a lot of Airbnbs don't actually have this, and it's really convenient to cut carrots and other vegetables, so we always bring this peeler. For breakfast, I often like to have poached eggs, so I totally bring this superfluous item so that I can get my eggs out of the pot when I'm cooking. It's a little bit longer than I would like, but again, a lot of Airbnbs don't have this item that is essential for my breakfast needs. So if you also bring superfluous items that are important to you, go ahead and click the like button so I know that we're kindred spirits. This is still a small channel, so any engagement helps me out with the algorithm, so I really appreciate all of your likes. In the same vein of cooking, we also very nerdily have our own soy sauce. We've been bringing this around with us. We make a lot of stir fry, so we like to have our own soy sauce. So a lot of Airbnbs supply you with items for 1 to 2 days. We end up having to bring some extra things like trash bags. We even have dish soap. We got this dish soap in cash because it was the only Airbnb so far that did not have any dish soap at all. And to be honest, we've only used it in cash. So this is probably an item we'll be getting rid of soon because it's just a little bit too big. I also bring this pack with me. It has spoons, chopsticks, a metal straw, mate straw, a bombilla, little stir sticks. It used to have a fork, but it got taken away at the airport when we flew from Cappadocia. And the reason I bring these is because I try to minimize my use of plastic. So along the way, we also collect little items that we get from hotels or that we're left with. So we have these little coffees. We also like to take little sugars when we can, little salts because you never know when you'll need them. We have a little Nutella, a little jam. Lastly, we like to have snacks for the bus. So we try to have at least some healthy snacks sometimes. So we have raisins here. And right now we have these sort of homemade pretzel things that we'd like to take on the bus with us, along with string cheese. The Turkish string cheese is delicious. We don't have any now, but this is our favorite bus snack because it's very easy, just pretzels, string cheese, and we bring it together on the bus. Maybe this does seem like a lot, so we do have one rule, which is that everything must fit in this bag. Another thing is that, we're traveling and we're going on buses, and it's pretty inconvenient if you have a lot of stuff, which is the reason we have this rule. And what is in the bag and how much we have really fluctuates based on what we're gonna do next. So I actually got this bag in Georgia. It says Tbilisi. It was a birthday present from my friends there. I spent 14 months in Georgia, so if you're curious about my top favorite places in the country of Georgia, click on this video here and follow along. Why not?